What role does the Beaufort Gyre play in Arctic Ocean dynamics? If you're curious about the Arctic Ocean and how its currents impact the climate, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the Beaufort Gyre, a crucial component of the Arctic system. The Beaufort Gyre is a large circular ocean current located in the western Arctic Ocean, north of Canada and Alaska. It plays a significant role in maintaining the balance of the Arctic environment. This gyre is driven by wind, which blows in a clockwise direction, collecting fresh water from various sources, such as glacial melt, river runoff, and precipitation. One of the key functions of the Beaufort Gyre is to store fresh water near the surface of the ocean. Over the past few decades, this gyre has accumulated a massive amount of fresh water, almost twice the volume of Lake Michigan. This accumulation is largely due to the loss of sea ice in the summer and autumn, which leaves the gyre more exposed to wind. As a result, the wind spins the gyre faster, trapping the fresh water within it. The relationship between the Beaufort Gyre and sea ice is critical. Sea ice losses have led to an intensification of the gyre's circulation and an increase in both heat and freshwater content. The gyre's circulation is also influenced by the Coriolis force, which causes the ocean water to flow inward toward the center of the gyre, forming a dome of fresh water. The Beaufort Gyre is not just a passive reservoir, it actively affects the climate. If the wind direction were to change, the gyre could release its accumulated fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean. This release could slow down the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, which has significant implications for the climate, particularly in Western Europe. The fresh water from the Arctic can change the density of surface waters in the Atlantic, affecting how water sinks and circulates globally. Additionally, the Beaufort Gyre influences the local ecosystem. The increased turbulence in the gyre mixes layers of cold, fresh water with warmer, saltier water below, which can lead to further ice melt and changes in how nutrients and organic material are mixed in the ocean. This, in turn, affects the food chain and wildlife in the Arctic. In summary, the Beaufort Gyre is a vital component of the Arctic Ocean's dynamics, playing a crucial role in storing fresh water, influencing sea ice, and impacting global climate patterns. Its balance and potential changes have far-reaching consequences for the environment and climate.